Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about what might happen in the US stock market in 2025. If you're interested in investing, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's jump right in. Analysts think 2025 will be a good year for the stock market, but they expect the market to grow at a slower pace than recent years. After big gains in 2023 and 2024, things are expected to cool down a bit. Now let's talk about company profits. While big tech companies have been doing really well lately, experts think that in 2025 we'll see more companies across different industries making more money. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is still a big deal. Experts believe that 2025 will be all about companies finding ways to make money from AI, especially in software and services. Big companies like Apple and Salesforce, as well as smaller companies, could benefit from this. Here's an interesting thought. Smaller companies might actually do better than the big ones this year. This is because interest rates are expected to go down, and they might have an easier time navigating regulations under the new president. Speaking of the new president, Donald Trump's return to the White House in 2025 is making things a little unpredictable. His ideas on trade, taxes, and other policies make it hard to say for sure what will happen with the economy. This uncertainty, along with the fact that stock prices are already high, could make the market a bit more volatile, meaning prices could go up and down more than usual. One last thing to consider is that some analysts believe that a different way of measuring the S&P 500, called the equal-weighted S&P 500, might do better than the traditional way of measuring it. This is because the difference in profit growth between the biggest companies and the rest of the companies in the index is getting smaller. Remember, all of this is just a guess based on what we know now. Things can change quickly in the stock market. The best thing you can do is stay informed and make smart investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching.